Hey everybody, this is going to be an unboxing video from Sephora. I ordered two products, so I could receive my free birthday gift. If you're a beauty insider, when your birthday come up, they'll send you a free gift, but you have to make an order. Um, there's no particular price. You just have to buy something and pay $5.95 shipping. As you can see, I got the two polishes and the Happy Birthday Beautiful birthday gift, and I also received three samples. Actually, they added in an extra sample because when I opened the box, there's a Marc Jacobs Dot perfume sample on top, and here's the sample. And I also got these three little high-end samples. The first one is from Makeup Forever Pro Finish. This is a foundation. This one is in deep. And I also got another one, which is in dark, because I wasn't sure which one. And I also got this Becca Radiant Skin Satin Finish Foundation. And as you can see, comes in darker colors. And the two products that I ordered to receive the free gift were these two nail polishes. This one is in mint sherbet, and this one is khaki gray. So yeah, and I just noticed that they have Sephora wrote on the bottom. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. And here's the little birthday gift from Benefit Cosmetics. And let's see if I can open this with one hand. And here it is on the back. Let's see if I can open it. So it's supposed to be a mascara in here, and I'm not sure what else. I don't think I can get this open. Okay, I got it open. So let's see. Here we go. This is the They're Real mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. I think this product in full size costs $32, $22, $32. It's somewhere between $22 and $42. So I'm really excited to receive this. This is like the first high-end mascara that I've ever had. And this is What's Up by Benefits Cosmetics. And I'm not sure what it is. Okay. I don't know if it'll show up. Okay, it says, glide on your cheek and brow bone. Gently blend with your fingertips for your perfect birthday glow. So yeah, I received those two products for free. So that's it for this unboxing, and thanks for watching.